Right, hi everyone. Now this video that I'm making at the minute, I've already actually made this video, but I've lost it. And this is a pre-restoration video, but I've already made the restored video. So I've had to unrestore things in order to redo the original video. So bear with me, because some things are like done, and I sort of taken bits off this fire engine so you can see basically how it was when I got it. Okay, so this is the post-war fire engine, number 62M. Now, the pre-war fire engine had electric lights, electric headlights, and there's a battery compartment, which is, I'll show you, point to it here. Let me get there. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, the battery compartment is here. Okay, so there's a battery compartment, look. And that opens up and the battery goes in there, right? So there's that. When I got this, there was a fire hose all jumbled up in there, all stuck together, gone hard as a rock. There were bits of this fire hose scattered throughout the entire interior of the fire engine. The fire engine, the hose pipe, goes in this bit. This bit here, see? It goes in there. But, yeah. Now, this did have ladders on it, but they were all warped and buckled. So I've had to get new parts for this. Namely the bell, the ladders, and a fire hose and nozzle. The interior of the fire engine was all full of dirt and dust and grime. The motor didn't work particularly well. It's got double wheels on the back, you see, so 6 tyres needed altogether, but these tyres are good. Anyway, getting back to the description. Where is it? Yes. Yes, so basically the same as the pre-war model, but no longer available with electric lights. Tin plate die-cast or plastic wheels. I think these ones are die-cast. The rear panel can now be bronze, yellow or dark brown plastic. The belly is now hollow and larger in size. So yeah, there's that one. So that was how it looked when I originally got it. So there's that, okay. And then we have this racing car here. Now, originally, racing car, get to the page. Where is it? I don't know. Where is the racing car page? Oh, I don't know. Racing car. Yes. This actually had tyres on it, but they're all perished. And actually the front tyres were bigger than the rear tyres, which it shouldn't be like. This is the post-war racing car. Number 13M. This is based on Captain G.T. Eystons' 1934 record-breaking MG Magic Midget, which I've never heard of. I mean, my mother had the 1970s MG Midget, but I didn't know there was one before that. Yes, so yeah. On the post-war version, the cockpit is no longer open. It's filled in with a paper-printed insert depicting a driver under a separate transparent plastic canopy, and came with black tyres. The pre-war version came with white tyres. And yeah, so there's that. And of course that needs new tyres, and it needs the exhaust pipe. So we're going to have to look for one, aren't we? So there. But I think the paint's pretty good on that, I think. And yeah, everything works, everything runs. So yeah, so there's that. So given the fact that I've already made the post restoration video, I can now put them back together again and they'll be good. There will be another video of this racing car, because you'll have to wait to see what happens there. But you will have to give me your decision on what to do, because that's what I'm asking for. Okay? See you soon. Bye!